In this problem, you're asked to identify which solvents favor SN1 reactions and which solvents favor SN2 reactions. So SN1 reactions favor protic solvents, meaning that they have an OH bond somewhere or an NH bond somewhere. SN2 reactions favor aprotic, meaning that they have no OH or NH bonds. So in A, there's an OH bond, meaning that SN1 reactions are favored. In B, there is no OH or NH bond. So this one is favored by SN2. In C, there is an OH bond, so it's favored by SN1. In D, there is no OH bond, so it's favored once again by SN2.